Hello everyone, welcome to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be making candied coconut ribbons. The recipe is quite simple and the taste is so good, and we usually take it during tea time. So before we start, please like and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. And if you are new here, please subscribe to get more recipes. Okay, let's get started. To make candied coconut, we will need brown coconut or mature coconut. After that, you can use a strong staff or a strong knife to break the coconut shell and then remove the meat. After you break the shell, and then you can use a spoon to remove the coconut meat. After that, please remove the brown layer. The first option, you can use knife to cut coconut meat into strips. The second option, you can cut it this way. We have cut the coconut meat, so let's clean it. After removing the unnecessary starch and cleaning, the coconut meat weighs 12 ounces. So I will put 1 tablespoon of salt and soak it in the water for 1 hour. And you can pour the water just to cover the coconut meat. After 1 hour, please clean it well again. The coconut meat is ready, so it's time to make candied coconut ribbons. First, put the coconut meat into a big pan. Then, pour 2/3 cup of water. After that, put 5 ounces of rock sugar. Turn on to medium-low heat and gently stir it. Stir it continuously until the water dries out. When the water is drying out, please turn on the heat to the simmer. Please continuously stir it this way until the coconut meat turns dry too. When the coconut meat turns drier and drier, we will see more and more sugar powder in the pan too. Please keep stirring until the coconut meat completely dried. The coconut ribbons are done right now, so please transfer it into a flat thing so that the ribbons will be drier. After the ribbons are completely dry, you can put it in the bottle like this and you can keep it for a long time. Okay, let's have a taste together. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any idea, you can leave your comment down below the video. And see you in the next delicious recipes. Have a nice day. Bye.